You know that feeling when you're at 2 a.m. you feel so stuck, like you're scrolling reels, you're saving reels, you're watching videos, you're watching podcasts, and still you feel like so empty inside. Trust me, we all have been there. We all have been there. We hunt for motivation everywhere, in quotes, in videos, in people, and still feel stuck, right? But today I want to flip that. Motivation is not something you go out and find it. It's something you wake up inside you. And when you understand it, you start creating it instead of chasing it. And here's what I have learned. The biggest mistake we make is looking for motivation somewhere else except in ourselves. And we started saying that, oh, if she can have it, I can have it too. If she can do it, I can do it too. But that's not the case, right? Yeah, most of the time it inspires us, but sometimes it flips. We started comparing and measuring our journey against someone else's highlight reels, which is wrong. And we started feeling demotivated, we started feeling discouraged, and maybe even sliding into self-doubt or depression. So let's pause and ask, where does actually this motivation lives? And I believe it's within you, always have been and always will be. And it shows up in three main ways. The number one is dreams. You know, when there's a dream so important that you just cannot let it go, and it's naturally pulls you move forward. Like, you will start waking up early, you will start taking all those actions that can turn that dream into reality. You will start studying, you will start attending your college lectures regularly, you will start preparing for the competitive exams or whatever. You will just start doing whatever it takes to make that dream real. Number two, faces filled with hope. It might be your family, your friend, or someone who believes in you so deeply that you just feel like, no, I cannot let this person down. I just cannot. And that love and support light a fire in you like nothing else. Trust me. And number three, and the most powerful one, proving people wrong. You know, when someone has underestimated you and, you know, make you feel like that you're the big zero or you're nothing. You cannot do it. You cannot achieve it. You just cannot have it. You can transform that into fuel. Fuel to rise, fuel to show up, fuel to reach that place where you know you're meant to be. You know, these three triggers, your dreams, your people, your pain, ignite the fire we call motivation. And now here's the biggest question. Okay, you're motivated. Now what? You need a direction. You need a destination. Because a motivation without direction or destination, it's like an energy without a map. You need a goal, a vision, a why to guide you. And you need at least a rough plan to get where you want to be. Like the people you admire, they had a plan, a vision, a rough plan. And maybe they adjusted along the way, but they were not walking blindfolded. Okay, think of it like an explorer in the jungle. They don't just wander in for no reason. They have a destination. You know, maybe a waterfall or a clearing, a hidden clearing they want to reach. They have direction, they have a map, a route to reach there where they want to be. But jungles are wild, right? Paths get blocked, weather gets changed, and sometimes you need to change the trail, or sometimes they have to create their own path. But at least they know where they're going, even if the how gets changing. But they know their destination, they know where the reaching point is. And life and your goals work the same way. Motivation is the energy that makes you walk, but you still need a destination to walk toward. And you have to be ready to change the direction along the way as life shifts around. And no, it's not about writing one goal on a piece of paper and sticking it onto the wall. Life is not a straight line. Your circumstances can change, your path can change, your direction can change, your life can change. And that's normal. So you monitor your path, check in yourself, celebrate small wins, take it off, okay, fine, one level is done, now what next, and keep moving. And always remember, you are on a journey called life. It's beautiful, uniquely yours, and unpredictable. So never be afraid to adjust your route. Just keep that why close to your heart. And one more thing, if right now you're at the season that you feel stuck, you feel very demotivated, you feel like, oh my god, what I'm gonna do in my life, don't worry, that's normal. Everyone has ups and downs. Rest and support from your loved ones is a sign of strength, not the weakness. And you're still moving forward, even if it's a small step at a time. Don't worry. I've got this. So if today's talk gave you a little spark, it would mean a world to me. If you like this episode, left a comment sharing me what part spoke to you the most and sharing with your friend who might need it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe it because we are building a family here and would love you to be a part of it. Thank you so much for being here. You've got this. See you in the next one. Take care.